This is the package that I've been waiting for about 3 months now. The new Movi Cinema Robot, which is essentially Freefly's version of a gimbal, and we're gonna open it next. So a very nice card from the folks at Freefly. Okay, so the first box in here is, I believe, is the adjustable counterweight. It's a gimbal, so for it to be balanced is just with the weight of the iPhone. If you put on, let's say, a moment lens, it's going to make the iPhone off balance, and so you have to put weights on the other side to make sure that everything is balanced so it can keep itself even while you're shooting. This guy right here. Here is the gimbal. This piece right here is rubber, but it looks like the rest of it is plastic, but it's solid. I mean, this is clearly a solid built device. Just for comparison purposes, here's the gimbal, and then this is just an iPhone 10. So it says here that instead of coming with instructions, it has online tutorials that you can watch to get this thing set up. So I'm gonna watch those, get this going, and then let's take some footage this afternoon and see how it works.